Okay, so radio booting up to demonstrate the problem again. As you can see, I've got the van speakers connected up and the power connected up. Same problem, still the sound jumping around but no sound coming out, speakers popping. So exactly the same problem, so I'm going to pause it and connect a different speaker as requested. So now, as you can see, I've disconnected the van speakers, connected the speaker plug with the wires and a separate speaker, and that shows what's happening to the speakers. Just popping and jumping around but not actually doing anything. Same again, nothing, just the popping sound, nothing coming from the stereo itself. So now I'm going to pause it and try a different radio. So now I've disconnected the pumpkin radio, disconnected in an old one again, turn it on. So I've got the power and van speakers plugged in. So now let's search for the station.
People spend half their lives chasing shadows, but what would it feel like to actually catch one? The 1-2 BMW 3 Series M Sport Shadow Edition has arrived with complimentary extras worth €6,000,
speakers,
M Sport body kit, LED headlights, 19-inch alloys, exclusive Harman Kardon speaker system, and sun protection glass. Pure BMW driving pleasure, without a shadow of a doubt.
So speakers are working absolutely fine.
BMW retail centers or visit BMW.
Jailed for 8 years.
So now I've disconnected the van speakers, which has just shown are working fine. Added the plug back in to this old speaker.
During a robbery at her home in Bray in September 2015, our crime correspondent Paul Reynolds was.
So it's working on the van speakers without any problem, and it's working on the external speaker without any problem. I'm just going to swap it back again. And pause it. So as you can see, I've reconnected stereo on the pumpkin, reconnected it back to the van speakers as before. As you can see, nothing from the unit again, just the same problem. So van speakers work, external speaker works. I tried it on a different stereo, plug it back, all back into the pumpkin, nothing, just that noise from the speakers. Okay, hope that helps. I think that demonstrates that there's something wrong with the unit. Thank you.